All right, this is KOIKIMEDIA, the 3rd of September 2021, as I'm going to take you through a farm trail. Interfífi wọn ra wa nísìn, òun ni ìtàn pè ní farm trail, níbi tí oríṣiríṣi ẹranko tó ń tọ́jú tó ń sìn, táwọn èèyàn láǹfààní àti sanwó wọlé tá à ń pè ní gate fee. Pọ́n mẹ́fà ìyẹn owó Gẹ̀ẹ́sì £6 òun la fi wọ bíbáyìí láti wá wo àwòrán àwọn oríṣiríṣi ẹranko tó kó sí bíbáyìí. Gbogbo ohun tí a ní ó ṣeé ṣe nílẹ̀ káàárọ̀ òjíire, gbogbo ohun tí bàbá Awólọ́wọ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe kó tó di pé wọ́n panú ẹ̀. Àwọn wo ló panú ẹ̀? Àwọn Haúsá àti Fúlàní. Tẹ́ bá wo ẹranko tẹ́ ń wò níbí, ẹ rí pé ó ní ìtọ́fisí létí. Ẹ rí pé ìkan wà níbẹ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe àyè tó pọ̀ rẹpẹtẹ tí wọ́n lè máa fi ṣe nọsẹ̀ tó ń jẹun. Omi wà níbẹ̀ fún wọn. Àmọ́ àwọn tọ̀dọ̀ tiwa lọ́hùn, wọ́n ò fẹ́ jẹ́ ká rí gbogbo nǹkan báyìí ṣe. Ẹranko tẹ́ ń wò yìí òun ló ń pè ní sheep. Ọdún 10 gbáko ni lifespan ẹ̀. Ọdún 10 òun ni lifespan ẹ̀. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí àwọn duck lélẹ̀. Ẹ rí pé duck lélẹ̀. Duck pẹ́pẹ́yẹ. Ìyẹn la ṣe ń sọ fúnra wa pé ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nínú oko ẹrú. Ṣé rí pé àwọn eléyìí náà nísìn? Ṣé rí wọn? Ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò nínú oko ẹrú Nàìjíríà. Wọ́n ń pe àwọn eléyìí ní embed goose. Ó lè lé ẹyin 20 to 30 ní ọdún kan. Lifespan tiwọn náà 15 years ni. Àbí kò yé wa nísìn? Ìyẹn la ṣe ń sọ fúnra wa pé tá a bá kúrò nínú oko ẹrú Nàìjíríà, ìyà là á máa fira wa jẹ. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí àwọn adìyẹ duck náà sì lélẹ̀. It's KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorstep on a farm trail. Duck òun náà tún lélẹ̀. Adìyẹ àkùkọ gàgàrà òun ni àwòrán eléyìí. Adìyẹ àkùkọ gàgàrà, lifespan ẹ̀ 6 years, ọdún 6. Ọdún 6 gbáko òun lẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí àwòrán ta fi ń wọ̀nyí, òun ni gbogbo ohun tí a fẹ́ ṣe tí a bá gbalẹ̀ wa, ta bá dá dúró, ta láǹfààní àti control gbogbo tó jẹ́ nǹkan tiwa. Adìyẹ náà tún lélẹ̀. Peking Batam òun ló ń pe léyìí. Ọdún 6 òun lòun náà lè lò láyé. Àwọn adìyẹ tẹ̀ ń wò. But lọ́dọ̀ tiwa lọ́hùn kò sí opportunity báyìí. Àwọn rabbit òun lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Rabbit nìyẹn. Òun lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí orúkọ tèmi ni Ọláyọmí Kóìkì, tí à ń fi gbogbo àwọn àwòrán ògúnfe lélẹ̀ òun lẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Ògúnfe òun lẹ̀ ń wò yìí. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí òun náà ní ìtọ́fisí létí. Àbí kò yé yín nísìn? Ògúnfe nìyẹn náà. So kí ló dé ta ṣe ń fi gbogbo àwọn àwòrán yìí wọ́n ran wa? Òun ni pé ká máa rántí pé àwọn Haúsá àti Fúlàní àtàwọn Yorùbá wa kọ̀ọ̀kan àtàwọn ẹ̀yà míì, wọ́n ò fẹ́ jẹ́ ká gbérí. Wọ́n ò fẹ́ jẹ́ ká gbérí. Wọ́n fẹ́ ká wà lójú kan kí ìyà máa jẹ wá, ká má ráyé gbé, ká má ráyé mí. Ìyẹn la ṣe ń sọ fúnra wa pé tá a bá kúrò nínú oko ẹrú, ojú kan la máa wà tí a ní lọ sókè. So ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe kíákíá ká tètè kúrò nínú oko ẹrú tí wọ́n fi wá sí. Lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí it's KOIKIMEDIA as we continue to show you what it is like on a very beautiful Friday afternoon. A wá ń fi gbogbo àwọn àwòrán yìí a fi ń wọnra wa nítorí pé a fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́yìn tẹ́ wà nílé mọ̀ pé it is doable tá a bá dá dúró. Ìdí tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ ká dá dúró náà ni pé ká lè bá ní opportunity oríṣiríṣi ẹyẹ ló wà níbí oríṣiríṣi parrot ìmí 20 years ìmí 20 years náà lélẹ̀ eléyìí náà 8 years èyí tó wà tó tẹ̀lé 10 years òun lẹ̀ ń wò yẹn. Once again, these are the beautiful parrots. Once again, it is KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. And right here at the goats, as you can see, these are the goats. As we're taking you around quickly, this farm trail. Obuko Gagara. And as you can see, we're just going to spin around quickly and show you how massive and big the park is. Once again, it is KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Gbogbo tí a fẹ́ ṣe nígbà tá bá gbalẹ̀ wa tá dá dúró, we can use this opportunity to build our own country where it's much important. If you're trying to save Nigeria, you're wasting your time. You can't save a country that is already sinking. And that is why we are saying it is time that we all rally around together and do the needful wherever we are as Yoruba sons and daughters, so that we can come out of Nigeria that is not our own. And once again, as you can see the view, as we continue to show you, this a cow. As you can see, we still have more on the other side there. I'm going to be showing us. But as you can see, this is the kind of system that we should put in place. But rather, they've purposely make it something that is not durable, but it is lies. For so long, they've given us the false impression that Nigeria is going to work, but Nigeria is only working for those outside Nigeria, and the Fulanis and the Hausas and some Yorubas and some Igbo and Middle Belt and other tribes that are sucking and milking out of the national reserve that belongs to every Nigerian. And that is why we are saying it is time that we say no to 2023 election, because that election will be another fraud. And as you can see there, these are pigs that are being reared, and these are alpaca, as you can see as well. And this is what and why we are saying right there, as you can see, this is KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. These are donkeys right there, and on the other side there they got some pigs. Oh, these are pony rather, yes. And again, right there, as you can see, and their lifespan is about almost 20 years right there. This is KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. And on this side, remember the view. On this particular side, you've got the pigs right there. You cannot do pig business in the north, but they are ready to take the pig business money from the south and the southeast. You cannot do certain business in the north because they are already running on Sharia. But yet, they are more than happy to take alcohol money. And as you can see there, this is a pig with the children. Once again, it's KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. And we come back out again as we continue to show you this beautiful view somewhere outskirts of London, where you also have to pay a particular gate fee before you can get in as well. And on this side, these are chickens, as you can see, and these are also chicken that lay eggs. Remember, a lot of Nigerians will love to do the same business, but Fulani is not allowing that. These are donkeys from this side, as you can see there. So there's a donkey and there's also pony. So donkey is about 25 years, 50 years lifespan. Sorry, I beg your pardon. As you can see there. Again, this is KOIKIMEDIA, the 3rd of September 2021, and as you can see, the time is coming up to 2:15 as we're showing you the beautiful view, as we continue to say to our people back home, who are you saving Nigeria for? Because Nigeria is not worth dying for, and Nigeria is not worth saving. So right there, again, these are mock pigs, as you can see there from this beautiful view at the moment. As you can see, these are called the large white pigs, and they're also 17 years lifespan. That's it over there. Once again, it is still KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to our doorsteps. So, and as we're coming on this side, we're going to be showing you the cows, because in Nigeria, the Mayeti Allah refused to allow ranching, but rather Buhari wants to do Ruga, give our land to those foreigners. This is a business, and a business is meant to be a business. But what they've done in Nigeria is, and these are their food, as you can see there, being put together. And again, we are saying no to Fulani herdsmen on our land. It's KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorstep. The 3rd of September 2021. The time is still almost 10 minutes to 2 p.m. It's KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. And on this side, as we're gonna come this way and again give you the view from this end. And again, these are called the red polar cattle. As you can see, their lifespan is about 20 years. Àwọn tẹ́ ń wò yìí, ṣe rí pé Fúlàní àtijọba Buhari àtijọba APC kà ló ń ṣe fún yín nílé, nítorí pé wọ́n mọ the right thing, but the right thing yẹn wọ́n fi ṣe fáyín tẹ́ wà nílé, ìyẹn ló ṣe ń dẹran kiri tó ń jẹ gbogbo oko yín. Business ni ṣe rí, gbogbo tó yẹ kó ṣe wọ̀ níṣẹ́, kàkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ìkà tó ń ṣe fún yín ni pé wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń jẹ́ kẹ́ máa àwọn ìgúnfẹ́ òun lẹ̀ ń wò ní bíbáyìí àwọn ògúnfe òun lẹ̀ ń wò ní bíbáyìí ògúnfe lẹ̀ ń wò. As you can see, it's still KOIKIMEDIA. Goat òun ló ń pè tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ṣe asún ìtẹ̀ like asún nílé 15 years ní lifetime wọn, as you can see there, as you can see. And oúnjẹ dẹ̀ ló ń gbé lọ yẹn nísìn oúnjẹ ló ń gbé lọ yẹn. Okay, oúnjẹ ló ń gbé lọ yẹn, can you see that's the food. Ṣe lọ yẹn again ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ lélẹ̀. Once again, it's KOIKIMEDIA, bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. As we say no to Fulani on our land. Say no to giving our land to the foreigners that is killing us. These are dogs. Once again, this is still KOIKIMEDIA, giving you the view of a farm trail here in outskirts of London. And we'd like to appreciate anyone that come across this video to also share so that we can educate and enlighten our people back home that a cattle business is a business. It is a business and it will continue to be a business. And that is why we are saying we will not stop until we continue to educate our people. Thank you very much once again, and we hope you enjoy this short trail of a farm trail here today, the 3rd of September 2021. Bye for now.